Black and cool. Okay, let's quickly go through how to calculate the Purlin math shortcut. So let's assume this is our rafter. Can you see? So rafter is the member of the roof that looks this way. So now the Purlin is the member that will be nailed above the rafter this way. So you're going to be seeing the edge like this. So now, quickly, without wasting time, how do we get the Purlin math? So number one, we need the length of this rafter along this rafter, that is from here to here. So let's assume we have 8 meters. So we want to know, and we need to determine the interval between our rafters. So usually, depending on, let's assume we are using 0.55 mm gauge of long span aluminum. So the distance center to center should be about 750 to 800. So let's pick 750. Quickly, we go to, so we'll come to calculator. We have 8 meters divided by 750 mm, that's 0.75 mm. So we have 10.7. So we have 10.7. So that's approximately 11 numbers. And we need to add the last number, which is plus 1. So we need to add one more. So that will be the last one here. It means we have considered both end. So which means we need 12 numbers. Now, what is the length of the building? Let's assume that the length of the building is 10 meters. So which means we are going to have the Purlin, the length of each of the Purlin will be 10 meters. 10 meters. Alright. So now, the 10 meters, and we need it in 11 places. So now, the 10 meters, what's the length of a wood, a Purlin? So the Purlin could be 50 mm by 75 mm depending on your choice. So if the length, the effective length of the Purlin is 2.4 meters, so it means that's 10 divided by 2.4, that's 4.2. We need 4.2 length. So we can leave it that way, multiply by 11. So that will give us 4.2 times 11. So that's 46.2 length. You can add 5%. That's 46.2 numbers, so length. So you can add 5% to it. So that will be about approximately everything about 50 length. Alright, if you enjoyed this and benefit from it, quickly share and also like. Anything else you want us to discuss, kindly put it on the comment section. Bye.